Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Black pen. A. A for apricot. A for apple. B. B for banana. B for blueberry. C. C for cherry. C for carrot. D. D for donut. D for dragon fruits. E. E for eggplant. E for egg. Now time to learn some numbers. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. So kids, now time to color. So kids, time to color now. So kids, now color time. Red color. A. A for avocado. A for apple. Red color. B. B for bat. B for ball. Blue color. C. C for candy. C for cap. Purple color. D. D for dog. D for dinosaur. Yellow color. E. E for elephant. E for ear. Green color. A for apple. A for apricot. A for avocado. A for aeroplane. B for bat. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for blueberry. C for cat. C for cap. C for cherry. C for coconut. C for cherry. D for dog. D for dinosaur. D for dragon fruit. D for donut. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eggplant. E for ear. Now time to color numbers. Let's start. Pink color. Number 1. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Green color. Number 2. Number 2. T-W-O 2. Yellow color. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Purple color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Red color. 5. F-I-V-E 5. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.